Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the eye tracking feature that's new to iOS 18 on your iPhone. So let's get started. So in order to turn on or activate or enable it, first thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone and then go to accessibility. And from there on, you're going to go down to physical and motor. And right here is the option for eye tracking. So if I click on that, I can turn it on and enable it so that I can control my device with my eyes by clicking on that toggle, and it will begin the process. Now what you'll have to do is follow the dot to actually enable it so that it can start tracking your eyes. So here, as you can see, dot is moving because I'm looking at it, and you keep on following it so that the phone can recognize how your eyes are moving so that you can actually train the phone to see your eyes in a way that you can track it. And once you're done, you'll be able to do it and get to go. Here I'm not setting it up, but this will allow you to go ahead and turn it on and use eye tracking on your iPhone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.